Hey guys, how you doing? Back with another video. Have something really exciting information to share. I don't know if you guys have noticed before, but I had a GMC Canyon V6 all-terrain. Worked fantastic. Really enjoyed the truck. But now we've upgraded to a Toyota Tundra, a 2019 limited Toyota Tundra. Just needed a little bit more space, a little bit more towing capacity here in the future with the potential of us getting an RV. But it just really awesome truck. I've heard a lot of good things about Toyotas. I've owned some Toyotas in the past, and they're just beasts that just last forever and run as long as you take care of them. So we're just really excited about it. I thought I would come on here and share with you guys a little walk around of the new truck. So let me take you around. So there she is, a 2019 limited Toyota Tundra, pretty much all decked out. The interior is all leather, heated seats, heated steering wheel, I believe. It's got some things on it that I don't even know about yet, but still learning about it, but really happy with it so far. Like I said, with the stuff going on in the world today, it seemed like it was a deal that you just couldn't pass up. Not necessarily a deal on this truck itself, but the deal that they gave me on my truck. I'm a little bit of a fanatic when it comes to cars, and I take care of them and keep them nice. So it gave us a really good price on it. So it was something that we just couldn't pass up. But like I said, with potential towing in the future, we've got our granddaughter now. I came up with all kinds of great excuses to my wife, and we agreed to go ahead and pull the trigger on it. But really nice. It's got 20-inch wheels. We'll talk about here in a minute some of the plans I have for upgrades and whatnot. 20-inch wheels, color keyed back bumper. It has a 5.6 foot bed, and the reason why it has a shorter bed is because it has a much larger back seat and obviously a much larger interior. All LED front end on it, so headlights, high beams, low beams, fog lights are all LED. The only thing that isn't LED, which I find very strange, is the blinkers. So that'll probably be an upgrade that we take, because it is very bright, but then the blinkers are very dim. So it may be a safety thing. But so that's a walk around of the outside. Obviously, it's got the 5.7 liter V8 engine, which has lots of horsepower. It's geared very well for us being able to tow an RV here in the future also. So all in all, awesome truck. There's a good shot of the outside. So let's take a look at the inside. So here's the inside. Like I said, all leather interior. Really nice looking inside. Doesn't have Apple CarPlay, which is one thing that I thought was really odd, but of course isn't a deal breaker. Center console is humongous. At first when we drove this, it was like my wife was sitting on the other side of the world. There was so much space in between us. But really awesome feature here, where the rear window of the truck, the back window here, actually goes all the way down, just like your car windows, which is going to be awesome in cool fall or spring days. It has 13 cup holders, 2 in each one of the doors, 3 in the center console, 2 over there, 2 in the back, 2 here, and then 2 more here. So 13 cup holders. I don't think that we'll need any more room for drinks. I think that will be covered there. But each one of the seats fold up and stay up for really nice storage. can't beat that. As you can see, there's like leg room out of this world in the back seat, so really awesome stuff there. Again, front seat, all leather, sunroof. That's really nice. No, just really nice truck. We purchased it used. It only had 5,500 miles on it. It sounded like that. It was just a good situation there. So excited for that, because it's essentially a brand new truck. It has a 38-gallon fuel tank on it, which is really awesome, especially for long trips, or if you're towing a trailer, you don't have as many stops. It does have a bed liner already sprayed in. It does look like there's some mud over there that is challenging to get off right now, but I'm going to tear into that and see if we can get that taken care of. But obviously a tow hitch already, and one thing that I was excited to see with this, not only the tow hitch, towing package, the larger tank, but it already does have the integrated braking system for the trailers. So it has all the things that I'm really wanting. So first things that we'll probably do is, as you can see, it sits kind of low. We're going to put a bit of a lift on it to level it out and lift it up a bit. Going to get a little bit more of a off-road look tires on it. Going to get some running boards that will make it a little bit easier for my wife to get into it. Eventually our granddaughter or grandchildren to come. But it should be fun. So we'll make some upgrades. Of course, we'll video it along the way and take you guys through that, what we learn about the new truck. So with that, guys, that's really it. I just wanted to share our new Toyota Tundra, and make sure that you know there's going to be some more content on the channel talking about this, how we use it in the lawn and the garden, on activities, but then upgrades and maintenance of it as we learn about this together. So if you have a Toyota Tundra and it's new to you, or you've had it for a number of years and you enjoy it, be sure to subscribe and like the video. But then leave us some comments on how you like your Toyota Tundra, and some recommended upgrades that you have for it that just kind of take it to the next level. But until next time, guys, I appreciate you watching. Again, like and subscribe. Leave us a comment, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.